Okay, now I'm actually at this Henderson Bridge, facing the Teluk Belanga Estate. You can see there's Alexandra Tower there, and Happy is coming up from the staircase there. Actually, we can use the ramp, or you can also use the staircase. There's a staircase down there. Come, let me show you. There's actually a staircase. Yeah, there's a shortcut staircase to climb up. But then, for those of you who are walking or slow mover walking, this is a staircase. Can you see that? The staircase going up and up and up and up to the Henderson Bridge. But then we decide not to use the staircase. We will move on using the ramp. We enjoy the sceneries. Can you see that? Those of you are not in Singapore, if you think that Singapore is a country with those high-rise buildings, in fact, you will be surprised to see that we also have our own forests, trees, and also you can see the aeroplane, the skyscrapers, and actually opposite there is a reflection. Now we move on again. Let me show you how beautiful it is. Okay, we still move on again and pass through the this ramp. We actually from Alexander Road, and we have walked almost about 1 kilometer, and you can see the ramp here. There's another. We actually from there just now. We walk from there and we climb up the staircase. Not the staircase, a ramp. Okay, there, the path. Now we will pass through this and then move on and move on. Okay, we have another about 1.3 kilometers to reach Henderson Wave. And I would like to let you see the old track, the old staircase, not the new one. This one is the old track, the one that I was about to use just now. Yeah. Okay, these are the old track. The old track. Can you see that? The one that we climb up, similar to behind the mosque at Teluk Belanga. There's a staircase to climb up the hill here. This is the old track. Okay, you see that? Whereas what you would see now that we are using the ramp. So for those who just do not want to use the staircase, they can just move on slightly slower and take their own time to pass through and enjoying the sceneries of all the beautiful flora. We could have fauna also. Just now we saw a squirrel, but we have not met up with the monkey yet. I do not know where the monkey is hiding now. Can you see how beautiful? We are enjoying two dimensions. One is the forest, the other one is the skyscrapers. Okay, now I'm now a little bit tired. I will stop here. Okay, see you again.